Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mamta. I welcome you all for the June issue on the YouTube channel of digital magazine The Parascience. Do you know about Kokila Vrat? I hope today's article shall be very interesting for you. So let's know, when is Kokila Vrat observed and why. Kokila Vrat is observed in an auspicious time period of 1 month from Ashad Purnima to Shravan Purnima. In some areas of India, this vrat is kept only in the year when Adhik Masa occurs, and that too Adhik Ashada. While in some areas of India, this fast is observed every year. Also, there is discrepancy in celebration only on Purnima, that is the full moon day, or on Panchami, the fifth lunar day of Ashad Krishna Paksha, or for the full month. However, this year Kokila Panchami Vrat is falling on 29th June 2021. Why this Kokila Vrat is observed? Let's look into that. Women doing this fast are blessed by Lord Shiva and Goddess Sati with the Akhand Saubhagya, and unmarried ones get loving and caring husbands. So generally women keep this fast. Kokila in Sanskrit means nightingale bird. In this vrat, Goddess Sati and Lord Shiva are worshipped along with bird nightingale. Kokila Vrat has a foundation in Hindu mythology as it was first observed by Goddess Parvati. Event dates to Yagna of Daksh Prajapati, who was father of Goddess Sati. Daksh did not invite Devi Sati and Lord Shiv in Yagya, but when Sati attended the event against Lord Shiva's permission, Daksh insulted them, and therefore Sati immolated herself in the Yagna itself. Although Lord Shiva angrily destroyed the Yagna, but also cursed Devi Sati to live in the forest for 10,000 years in the form of nightingale, that is Kokila, deserting her for being displeased with her. So before she was born as Parvati again, she spent 10,000 years as Kokila to again find Lord Shiva as her husband. She observed this fast. Now let's look into how to observe this Kokila Vrat. For keeping Kokila fast, women wake up early in the morning and take bath in the nearby river or water body preferably. They make an idol of Kokila bird, nightingale, with the clay and worship it along with Lord Shiva and Goddess Sati with a Sankalp mantra. You can see on the screen. Mam dhanya sahita saubhagya praptye Shiva tushtye cha Kokila vratam aham karishya. Thank you for being with me. Please subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.